James Bond.
Dirty martinis, shaken, not stirred.
I have never had one. I'm very excited about this. I got to tell you,
Have you ever had anything?
No.
All right. Well, dry vodka martini, shaken, not stirred. The preferred drink of James Bond.
Who's that? Roger Moore. Come on, I know that.
No.
Well, that was
Roger
grown
Moore
up. Grown up.
Not.
Grown up, though. Like
Grown
as a
up
kid.
in the 80s.
As a kid.
And this is definitely an
But
80s.
Sean Connery is hands down. I mean,
Absolutely, he's the best.
Right?
Now this is definitely an 80s drink.
Right.
Now it's shaken, not stirred, for maximum coldness and the least amount of taste. You notice the shape of a martini glass. There's no tulip to it.
Ooh, you're throwing some
It's not
science
about about smelling.
No.
You don't want to smell a martini.
No.
You shouldn't taste anything or smell anything because a martini should be.
So I'm drinking cold water.
We got to go. No, you're drinking cold vodka.
So there's no enjoying this drink. It's a shooter.
No, it's not a shooter. It's a martini.
I've never had one. I wonder what that's
You've never had any martini?
No, never. I'm not good with new stuff.
So shaken, not stirred.
Look at all these accoutrements. Hey, Vince, tell me about these.
Well, so if you're going to have a martini shaken, not stirred, you're going to need a shaker. There's basically two types of shakers.
Dose.
Basically two types of shakers. You have the Boston shaker. You know, why do they call it a Boston shaker?
I'm betting it has something to do geographically speaking.
I think it was invented in Boston, but I'm not sure.
Shocking.
And this is what you see at the restaurants, you know, the two, you know. That's what a professional bartender is going to use. Mostly everybody I know, you know, that's been married has gotten one of these cobbler type of shakers. I got this one when we got married 18 years ago.
Wow.
So, you know.
What is your preference, Vincent?
It doesn't matter. Normally at home, if I was just making them for myself, I'd probably use my cobbler because I have it there on my bar. It's
all done.
It's less cleanup for me.
A little bit more show.
But we're going to make two at once, and so this will be a little bit better for us. We're going to go with the Boston Shaker, just because
we're
making two at once. Just because we're making two at once. So the first thing you do is you put ice in a dry glass.
Got it.
How'd
you do that?
It's amazing. Ice in the glass. Now you're just going to let that chill. And that's going to freeze the glass. It's going to get, but truthfully,
it's
like 32
cold
degrees
enough
in here anyway. But so
while the glasses are chilling,
right over here.
Jesus, calm down.
Today we're going to use Tito's vodka.
Tito's.
It's handmade, as they say.
Handmade. I'm just going to repeat everything.
But it's a reasonably priced vodka that actually has a little bit of flavor to it. The sign of a good vodka is that it smells like nothing and tastes like nothing. It has a little bit of a tint to it. So first you start out with dry vermouth. I'd say a half an ounce of dry vermouth, and then whatever sticks to the ice, that's the
got it.
Whatever sticks to the ice, that's the vermouth. So we're going to go 4 ounces apiece, which is basically a double shot. So here's 3, because this half is an ounce and a half, so that's 3, 4.
And now what, Vince?
Well, this is the easy part. Shake. Not too much. Now the thing about
okay, you've done this a time or two.
Mm-hmm. All right. Now, basically, that's all a vodka. And one, actually. So this is a double.
Okay.
And have you ever heard of a 2, 3, like a 1 olive martini, 2 olive martini?
Right.
Well, however many drinks you put in that martini, that's how many olives go in there.
So this would be a 2 olive martini.
We're going to go to the 2 olive martini. And just a little bit of the brine. A lot of people put the brine in before and shake it, but you're shaking all the flavor out of the brine, just like you're shaking all the flavor out of the vodka.
Okay.
So give it a shot.
Would you like me to wait for you?
No, go ahead.
I like it. I like it the brine.
You want more brine?
No, it's just kind of swirling in there. So I like the brine flavor. Give me a
Anyway,
minute.
that's your dirty martini.
Cheers.